Good afternoon, students. Welcome to my channel Sharda Math Classes. So, in my videos especially, I'll be teaching for Cbse, Ncert and for state syllabus, board syllabus. And then those who are not subscribed till now, please subscribe to my channel Sharda Math Classes, and I'll be solving 80% of the problem given in the textbook so that it will be helpful for you. Please share these videos with your friends so that they too will get some benefit from these videos. Thank you very much. So yesterday I have uploaded 2 videos and today I am going to solve the third problem from the exercise 4.2 from the lesson quadratic equation. Okay. So here in the third question what they have given, find two numbers whose sum is 27. Sum means when you add two numbers you will get 27. See, in quadratic equation always remember that whenever you are asked to find two numbers, their sum is given, their product is given, whatever it is. Whenever they ask you to find two numbers, first what you have to do, you have to keep only one variable x. Second number will be whatever is the sum or product, whatever they have given. From that number you have to subtract the assumed number x. Okay, you cannot take y here because in quadratic we use only one variable. Okay, so we are not supposed to use two variables here. Means in the same equation no two variables are used. But in linear equation and all we are using different variables. But in quadratic equation always remember we use only one variable. So those two numbers also should be related with the same variables. Now I will call the first number as, let the first number be x. Okay, their sum is given. Sum means when you add those two numbers you will get 27. Therefore, let the second number be whatever is the total. From total you subtract the first number. That will give you, remaining will give you the second number. First number is x. So second number we don't know. But when you add those two, still like this, x plus some number is equal to, sum of these two is 27. I have shifted 27 here. So this unknown number is equal to 27 minus x. This is how we are going to take. First number x, second number 27 minus x. So what they have given, the product is 182. So you have to find the numbers. Find these numbers. So product of these two numbers are given now. Product of these two. First number is x. Second number is 27 minus x. When you take the product, that will be equal to 182. So now you have to multiply monomial, binomial. First multiply x into 27 is your 27x minus x into x is x square is equal to 182. Okay, now I'll take the x square term first along with the sign, minus x square plus 27x. After x square take the x term is equal to 182. Now shift 182 this side, minus x square plus 27x minus 182 is equal to 0. Now here in this is in the quadratic form. But the thing is, first term itself is having minus sign. So I will make it plus by multiplying it with minus once again. Multiply the whole equation by minus. Minus into minus x square will become plus x square. Minus into plus 27 is minus 27. Minus into minus is plus. Only you will change the sign, that's all. Change all the sign. Whatever sign they have given, change it. Minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. Now you have to find the factors for 182. 2 9s are, 2 1s are. So 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. So 13 is a prime number. So you have to write down. You have to arrange these factors in such a way that if you add or subtract, you should get the middle term 27. See, I'll group like this. 27 means I'll group these two. That becomes your 14, 13. Therefore, factors are 14 and 13. Two factors. Because when I add these two, I am getting 27. Is it not? By adding these two, I get 27. Which means this sign should go to both the numbers. Same sign will go to both the numbers when you are adding. When you are subtracting, this will go to bigger number. Opposite sign will go to smaller number. Here you are adding and getting. So adding means minus 14 minus 13 is minus 27. Now let me split this as x square minus 13x minus 14x plus 182 is equal to, instead of 27x, I have split it like this. Now, as usual, grouping, x is common, x minus 13, x is taken out as common, remaining x minus, out of 13x, x is taken out, so 13 is remaining. Minus here 14 I will take as a common factor, x plus means minus into minus is plus, one minus is taken outside, one more minus is remaining. 14 how many times? 13 times is equal to 0. Now here x minus 13 is common once again. Take it out. Remaining here x, here minus 14 is equal to 0. Now this into this is equal to 0. Means the product of these two factors is equal to 0. Now I am going to solve, equate both of them to 0. X minus 13 is equal to 0. X minus 14 is equal to 0. X is equal to, shift here 13, x is equal to, shift here, that becomes plus 14. So the two numbers are 13 and 14. See, when you add 13 and 14 you will get 27. When you take the product of these two you will get 182. Okay, this is how you can solve the problems. Okay, simply first you have to take one number x, second number 27 minus x. Take the product of these two, equate it to 182. After equating, next steps will be like this. Multiply with x, 27x minus x into x square equals 182. Minus x square term first, 27x as it is, 182 as it is. Now next term shifting. These two terms remain as it is. This will become minus 182 is equal to 0. Now change the sign of minus here. So that becomes plus minus 27x plus 182 is equal to 0. X square 27 can be split as 13x and 14x like this. Okay, plus 182 equals 0. So take the common factor x, x minus 13 minus 14. Here also you will get x minus 13. So this is common here once again, x minus 13, remaining x minus 14, one more factor. Equate it to 0, find the value of x. This is how you can solve this type of problems. Okay, just 1 minute time I will keep. You can copy down if you want. Coming to next problem, find two consecutive positive integers. Consecutive means two continuous numbers like 10, 11, 15, 16, 18, 19, 100, 101, 200, 201, 511, 512, like that. Any two continuous numbers you can take. Okay, so two continuous numbers you have to find. There should be positive integers so that sum of whose square. First you have to square those two numbers and take the sum. Sum of whose square means take those two numbers and square it and take the sum. So if you square both the numbers and take the sum, that will be equal to 365 they are telling. So you have to find the two numbers. So you know that consecutive means, previously in one problem also you had the same thing. Consecutive means two continuous numbers. See, how do you get continuous numbers? By adding 1. See, 15 plus 1 is 16. 18 plus 1 is 19. Means whenever you get, how do you get the next number? By adding 1 to the previous number, right? So when you add 1 to the previous number, you will get the next number. So the previous number I will call it as x. Okay, next number will be add 1 to x, that will become x plus 1. So I'll write let first number be x. How do I get the second term? By adding 1. So let the second number be previous number plus 1. Okay, like how I have shown you here. So for previous number, if you add 1, previous number I have taken x, I will add 1 to that. I will get the next number. Okay, now you have to, what you have to do is, whose square, sum of whose square. First I will take the sum of this. Sum of two numbers, and whose square means you have to square these two numbers. You square two numbers and add, that will give you 365. Okay. So sum of whose square, sum of whose number squares will give you 365. Okay. Next, x square plus this one you have to split it as a plus b whole square form. Okay. A plus b whole square is nothing but a square plus b square plus 2ab. So split this in the form of a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2 into a into b is equal to, so you know that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here you have x plus 1 whole square. A means x, b means 1. So I have written as x square plus b means 1 square plus 2 into x into 1. That is what I have written here. Okay. So now you have two x square terms here. Write down 2x square plus 1 square is 1 plus 2 into 1 means 2. 2x is equal to 365. Now let me arrange. Okay. 2x square. Next x term I will write. Next constant term is equal to 365. Now I will shift 365 this side. That gives you 2x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 365 is equal to 0. Okay. Next 2x square plus 2x minus 364. Is it not? When you solve these two, means plus 1 plus minus 365 is minus 364. Now see here again a is having coefficient of 2. I have told you many times it should be 1 always. So what I am going to do, I am going to divide the whole equation by 2. Okay, because all the numbers are divisible by, here you will get x square plus x minus 2 1s are 2 8s are 182. 182 is equal to 0. Now you have to find the fact. This is in the form of quadratic equation. Is it not? So find the factors. So that you should get 1 in the middle term. You should get 1 when you add or subtract. Group them. I will group 7 and 2. Okay, I will get 14, 13. From 14, if I subtract 13, I will get 1. Is it not? If I subtract these two numbers, I will get 1. So whenever you are subtracting and getting, this middle term sign should go to bigger number and other term should have opposite sign. Okay, now I can split this as x square plus 14x minus 13x minus 182 is equal to 0. Now group this. X is common. Here x is remaining. Plus 14x. Okay, minus I have taken as common. 13 I will take out as common factor. X plus 14 times 14 here. 14 is equal to 0. Okay, here see. X I have taken common, remaining is here 1x plus 14. Minus 13 I have taken as common, here x is remaining, minus is already taken out as common, here we will get plus 13. How many times? Here only you will get 13, 14 times 182. So 14 I have done. Now x plus 14 is one factor, equated x plus 14 is one factor and x minus 13 is the other factor. See, this is common, I have taken out, and this x minus 3 is common. Next, I will continue here. So x plus 14 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 14. Second factor, x minus 13 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus 13. So the number is x value, you got x value is 13. Therefore, x plus 1 is equal to 13 plus 1, that is equal to 14. Therefore, the numbers are 13 and 14. So the two consecutive numbers are 13 and 14. When you square these two numbers, okay, you will get 365. Okay, square of 13 square plus 14 square will give you 365. So this is how you can solve it. First, what you have to do, keep first number as x, second consecutive number I have showed you how to get by adding one second term. So take these two numbers, sum and square it. That will be equal to 365. X square as it is. Split this like this, a plus b whole square form. Whatever you will get right down here is equal to 365. Add x square to x square plus 1 as it 1 square means 1. Plus if you multiply this, you will get 2x is equal to 365. So 2x square plus, first write x term and then 1 here, shift here. 365. Next, this one you have to shift it on the LHS. So now you have 2 as a coefficient. For the value of a, you have 2. So you have to reduce it to 1. So you can divide it. Divide the whole equation by 2. 2x square by 2, 2x by 2, this by 2. Okay, so this is x square plus x minus this is equal to 0. Okay, x square. Factors for 182 I have got and I have grouped it. After grouping I got 2 factors 14 and 11. So bigger number plus sign, the other number opposite sign I have written. Minus 182 is equal to 0. Take the common factor by grouping. X is common, x plus 14 is remaining. Minus 13 is common, again x plus 14 you will get. Plus 14, x plus 14 remove. X minus 3 is equal to 0. Now equate each factor to 0. You will get the value minus 14. Second factor to 0 means 13. Therefore, always take positive value. X plus 1 will become 13 plus 1, 14. So, the numbers are 13 and 14. Okay. So, this is how you can solve this type of problem. This is fourth problem from the same exercise. Okay. 1 minute I will keep like this only. You can copy down.